Last summer, my family and I went on a special trip to the mountains. We packed our bags and drove for hours, singing songs and playing games in the car. When we arrived, the view was breathtaking. We stayed in a cozy cabin, surrounded by tall trees and a sparkling lake. Each day was filled with adventure. We hiked up trails, spotting colorful birds and butterflies. One day, we even saw a deer. At night, we gathered around a campfire, roasting marshmallows and telling stories under the twinkling stars. My favorite part was the canoe ride on the lake with my dad. We paddled together and laughed as fish jumped around us. It was a trip full of fun and unforgettable memories.